Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to turn on and customize contrast theme in your Windows 11 PC. It's gonna be very easy and simple tutorial. So first, in your desktop, you can go to your settings. I'm gonna search it, settings, and hit enter. And then in your setting page, you can go to your accessibility in your left side menu here, click on it. And then as you can see, you will find contrast themes here. You can click on it. And then as you can see, this is the option. So you can see the preview. Maybe you want to, maybe one like this, or other option, night sky. So let's say I want to turn it on. You can just choose the theme, the contrast theme. So maybe I want to try night sky. And if you want to edit it, you can just click edit here. You can customize everything here. But if you think's all good, you can just apply it and then click apply and it will wait and like this it's applied. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.